everyone, welcome to Abby's Looks. Have you thought about how you want to look this summer? Have you thought about what you want to wear on your body? I know a lot of us have been going to the gym to get our body right. We've been doing some shopping to get our clothes right. We've been buying jewelry to show them off. But have you thought about your hair? Have you thought about what you want to put on this gracious head of yours? Have you thought about how you want to look? How stunning you want to look? Also, how comfortable do you want to be? If you're not wearing your natural hair this summer, have you thought about it? Do you want to wear wig or do you want to do braids? I've thought about doing braids this summer. It's something I've been looking forward to. I do my braids once a year because I take it down myself. It's a lot of stress. But I also thought, why not do something different? Why not show off my neck? Why not show off my jewelry? Why not show off my earrings? I always wear long hair, or I wear wigs that covering my ears, my neck. Even with what I have on now, you can't see my earrings. And this summer is gonna be so hot. So what am I gonna do differently? And I've been seeing some pixie cuts that have been blowing my mind. And before you get any of this pixie cut, you have to think about your head shape. You have to think about how you can maintain it. You have to think about your love for hair. You can also wear a bob like what I have on right now. If you'd like to get a bob is also perfect for the summer, for the spring. Or if you want to get a pixie cut, girl, let me get you on. You can style this. Or you style this. Or you style this. Or you style this. If you want to get this pixie cuts that I've put in this video, just do a screenshot, upload them on your Google Lens, and then you find it simple. But if you need further help with it, you can drop me a comment in the caption and I'll help you with the seller. It's just so beautiful. It looks so stunning on black girls. It shows off our neck, we show off our jewelry, and then it just looks so different. We look sophisticated when we have this on, especially when it's hot, and you look gorgeous, you look beautiful. If you have a beautiful natural hair, you can style it in that way as well. You don't need to get pixie cut. All you need to do is just get a good stylist. They can help you maintain it. They can cut it and put it in shape. My hair, I don't know, is 40. I can't get in place. I can put it down into a ponytail, but am I going to be able to swim with it? I don't want to go through that stress this summer. I was thinking about getting braids. I've not gotten braids in a while. Braids is also a nice way to go this summer. If you want to get braids, you can get braids. I've seen some short braids with coils. I think they call them French or fringe braids, coils. Sorry. You can get them as well. They look so beautiful. They look so different. You look so stunning when you wear them. And if you're going to get this pixie cut, when you're considering your head shape to see the one that suits you, also your style, your personality as a person, you should also consider tools that you use for that. You should also consider the product that you use to maintain your wig. If you're going to get a straight bob like what I have on, you need a straightener. You need a hot comb as well, but it's not as necessary as a straightener. If you do not have a straightener or you don't want to buy one, please don't get a bob. I just feel like you will not get the same effect like if you get a straightener. You're able to maintain it. You can get a small one, you can get a bigger one. I'm going to show you the size that I use, and it helps me. I use a professional straightener. I'm very big on all these things, so I go big or go home. Also, what products will you be using on them? Are you going to be getting the coily pixie? Are you going to be getting the loose coils? Are you going to be getting straight ones? Whichever one you want to invest in, you need product. You're going to be needing products. You're going to be needing mousse. You're going to be needing cheese silk. You need heat protectants as well. As much as you get sunscreen for your body, you need heat protectant for your hair. It helps you put it in place, and whatever style you put on it with any hot iron, you get it out of it. You get the best out of it when you use heat protectants. That's just it. Your hair will not be strong. It won't just be standing. It will obey you. Anywhere you want it to go, it will obey you. So I'm gonna be sharing some products with you right now that you can use for all kinds of hair, right? So before we go into it, this is Tresemme product. It's keratin smooth weightless silky shine spray. This is actually good for straight hair like what I have on. If you have a straight wig, you need to have this. You just need to spray it. Once you spray it, then you straighten it. What I do is I spray it, I straighten it with my straightener, and then I use cheese silk on it. Or you spray it, you blow dry it, you use cheese silk, and you straighten it. That is another way. You should have this constantly at home. You can use this for straight hair, coily, wavy, coily, wavy, all sort of hair, straight, whatever it is. This is my holy grail. If you buy this, you can use it for all your wigs, when you're done, when you're prepping it, during styling, anything you need to do. I'm going to put the link to this in the caption. These are affiliate links that I'm putting in the caption. So please, when you want to visit your Amazon, ensure you use my link, and then you can buy your cheese silk. Okay, and then for this as well, it's going to be an affiliate link. Also, I'm just going to share something different. We might not be able to wear wavy hair this summer, but sometimes we have somewhere to go. There are going to be a lot of events coming up. Now that it's spring, we have a lot of graduation coming up. We have a lot of parties coming up. You might not want to wear your pixie, or you might not want to wear your bob. You might want to go wavy. If you want to do that, you're going to need this Tresemme Total Volume Air Spray. You get the Hold 4. I use the Hold 4. Why I use the Hold 4 is weightless, right? So when you spray it on your hair or on your coils, it stays. And then you can brush it off easily. It doesn't let it freeze up, you know. It keeps it silky, whatever treatment you've used. If you've not watched my previous video, once you treat your hair with that product, you use this. Ensure you use your heat protectant whenever you're styling, and then you get this total volume. For this picture that I have here, as you can see how wavy that hair is. This hair, I style it anywhere I want, and when I style it, it obeys me. I use my heat protectant, I use my hairspray. So if you want to get this coils, when I wash my my wig, this wig, once I wash it, I roll it up, and then I spray with this. When I'm rolling it up, I use cheese silk. Then I hold it with the bobby pin. Once you hold it, you leave it there. You can leave it for a few days. If you're in a hurry, leave it for a few hours and use a hair dryer. But if you're not, leave it for a few days. Spray with this, and then you see the curls. I leave it for about a week if I know I'm not using it soon, and then it just falls so beautifully when I'm ready to use it. This is very good for your coily hair. And then people have literally stopped me because of the hair I showed you previously. They've asked me, what one do you use? What size do you use? This is the one that I use. This is a 32 mm. This is a Tresemme coiling iron. But a lot of people have asked me, even my sister tried to buy it, and we realized that Tresemme doesn't stock this particular coiling iron anymore. It has 1 to 3 control, and it gets really hot. It does the job. I've had it for like 3 years now, but I'm going to put a link in the caption. It's an affiliate link for something similar that does the same job as this that you can buy, and you get the same coils for it. You just have this, and then you're good. This is very important to me. I take it anytime I'm wearing my wavy hair or I have a party. You can use it like if I'm traveling, I carry my hair, and then when I get there, I use this, I coil it just to get where I want, and then everything comes into shape. If you want to buy it, use the link in the caption. Also, use this link for this if you want to buy this. The link will be in the caption as well for you to purchase it. The affiliate links. And then let me know what your experience is, and what are your thoughts for summer. What do you want to rock? Let me know. Thank you for watching my video. I'm going to be sharing more gems, more products, and more tools. See you soon. Bye.